Are we?
Yes.
Okay, so
We've opened up. We're recording at the moment.
yeah.
Recording. And we're doing a test to see if opening up the same thing on each 12 of these computers, if it will make them louder.
Yeah. So
we've got
way to find out, Mark.
we've got Gary the bricklayer puts the U in CGU ad on. That's a different ad. They're different. Oh, that doesn't matter. Hopefully this will not
82.
matter.
Okay, so with these ones here, just want to play. Just want to play these two first. These
Okay,
four
we're
first.
gonna put this down.
Okay, put that. Yeah. Okay, they're all full volume. Just check. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay then.
They're all good.
Are you ready for this? Okay, I'll start at this end. 3, 2, 1, go.
My name is
That works. Can we just listen to one normally so then we have a bit of
My name is Gary and I'm a bricklayer, the best in town, maybe even Australia. I'll build you a house using bricks and mortar, and I'll work in the single father's life your daughters. Rewind! All my tools on the building site, if I got to ensure I got to do it right. My tools might be my shorts, my little knee low. Let me out here, somebody steal. Gary.
I think that works.
Oh, okay.
I think that worked. That is that test done. Let's get back to recording.